These floor mats were definitely not cheap, and somehow I ended up ordering them in a color I had never actually seen in person.
When we bought our Jayco Terrain earlier this year, this was the original floor. Nothing wrong with it, but we knew we wanted something to protect it and make maintenance easier while traveling. And we also wanted the van to feel a little bit more finished. Before ordering, Inhabit sent me some samples, which I highly recommend doing because picking the color was easily the hardest part of the entire project. I moved these little things all over the van. I looked at them on the floor, next to the cabinets, by the door, and I still couldn't decide. Normally I'd just pick one and move on, but these mats are a pretty significant investment. I didn't want to spend that much money and then walk into the van every day thinking, I picked the wrong color. So naturally, after all of that, I chose none of these. I ordered deep gray. The problem was I didn't have a deep gray sample. I ended up going through photos on Inhabit's Instagram and Facebook pages, looking at deep gray in other vans and trying to picture how it would look with our cabinets and all the black in the Terrain. And eventually I just went for it. A few weeks later, and here they are. I didn't know there was going to be screws involved.
Oh, this is screwed to the floor.
I think this is screwed to the floor. The first time you drill a hole into your brand new van, it's a little stressful.
Huh.
Must be something under there.
There he is.
Well, that's not good. Before drilling into the van, check the underside. Make sure there's no obstacles. We had a bracket in the way, which caused that screw to not lay flat. It worked out okay, but you want to try and avoid that if possible. And this is how the deep gray turned out. I'm so glad I went with this color. It completely changed the look of the floor without making the van feel darker. And I really like how it works with all the black and gray that's already in there. When you put the before and after next to each other, that's when I think you really see the difference. So was it worth it? For us, yes. These are definitely an investment, and I don't think you need them to enjoy your van, but protecting the original floor was important to us. And we wanted something that looked like it belonged here instead of just throwing rugs down. And after spending all that time stressing over the color, I think deep gray was the right call. If you have a Terrain, or you're thinking about getting one, stick around.